You want me to go fast?
Yeah.
What happened? I thought y'all...
Ryan, get back on.
Hold on. Turn around, run.
Hang on to Ryan.
Is that Ryan screaming?
Yeah. I'm busy already.
Here, hold this.
Okay.
You ready?
Ryan, close
Ryan?
up. Yeah.
Are you not wanting to ride no more?
No.
Okay.
Can I play? Yay. And a smile. Oh my
What are you doing?
I'm scared. Where we go? Okay, look, I'm gonna get down. There you go.
Hey, do you know that there's a rock climber over here?
There, right?
Come here. Don't step in the water. Come here. No. That ain't a rock climber. Hey, this is wet right here. Come on. Yeah, there's a tire swing. What are you crying about? Y'all ready for snow tomorrow? Yeah. Why don't you climb that wall? Come on. Come on. Come on. Ryan. She don't like it, does she?
Sally, it's okay. Sally.
It ain't that bad, dog.
Wow! Angela, come here!
Well, you know I can unleash this dog here. She won't go nowhere. Hey, that dog will not go nowhere. Everything's a tube from here.
Can I go there?
Yeah, be careful.
I'm gonna try to climb up like
Where are you gonna go? There's a tube everywhere we look. Huh? Scaredy cat.